Case diary is maintained by a police officer who is investigating the offence. For each case, one case diary is to be maintained. Now, in the case diary, police officer records information which he receives during investigation, the places he visited, the time of visiting those places, the time when he initiates the investigation and ends the investigation, and the statement of witnesses recorded under section 180 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita is also to be mentioned in the case diary. Now, the court can use the case diary during inquiry or trial to decide whether the investigation is conducted in a proper and fair manner. Secondly, to decide the bail or custody of the accused. Thirdly, to decide whether the cognizance is to be taken or not in a case. Fourthly, while framing charges. And fifthly, to decide whether the testimony of a police officer during trial is true or not. The list is merely illustrative as the court can use it for any other purpose as well, provided the court cannot use the case diary as an evidence. It means the court cannot decide the guilt of the accused merely on the basis of case diary. Now, the accused does not have any right to get access to case diary. The reason being that the case diary includes a sensitive and crucial information related to the offence, and if the accused will get access to it, in that case the life of the informant and other witnesses will come under danger. Now, there are two instances when the accused can use the case diary. The first is when the police officer uses the case diary to refresh his memory. Now, police officer cannot remember everything with regard to the case. So, to remember the facts of the case, the police officer can refer the case diary during trial. Secondly, the court can also use case diary to contradict the police officer with regard to the statement he made during trial. Now, in these two instances, the accused will get limited access to the case diary. Limited in the sense that he can only refer that part of the case diary which is used by the police officer to refresh his memory or which is used by the court to contradict the police officer. Now, on the access of that part, the accused can cross-examine the police officer with regard to the statement he made during trial. The provision with regard to the case diary is given under section 192 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita. I hope you like the video, and for more such video, please like and subscribe.